In this video, we are going to learn how to create simple text array wave effect. Right click, click on new Fusion composition, click on create, drag and drop it here. Now click on this Fusion tab, click on background and connect background to the media out. Select the background, click on text and enter the text as per your requirement. In my case, I will type array effect. Array effect. Now increase the text size as per your requirement and change the font family as per your requirement. In my case, objective is fine, and I will select this axis and move it down. Now what I will do, I will select the merge node, press shift space and type raise. As you can see, it's automatically here. So click on add. Now this looks something like this. So if I go backward and let's move y here. So y axis, you can see that what they do, and I want to control this decay. So you can control this in that manner as per your requirement. So what I will do, click on this, oh sorry, right click, remove key, just go to the backward and move paths. Okay, go to the 0th frame and click on here, go to let's say 85 and we'll bring it here. Okay, so if I go back and click on play, you can see the text animation or the rave animation. You can make it better. Click on spline, displacement, click on here, press Ctrl A, sorry, and select this one as well. Click on here and make it a little bit like this. So if I click on play, so you can see how I got. So I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you have any kind of doubt or inquiries, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.